Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to design a password protected quiz. So go to Google Forms and after that click on this blank. After clicking on blank, this window will appear. Name the form, for example sample quiz. Give the same name to the form. It will automatically come or copy paste this title over here. Now go to setting. Here check collect email address, limit to one response. This setting is very important so that only one response will be submitted. Go to second tab, that is presentation. Here check show progress bar. Here shuffle question order. Show progress bar means the candidate who is giving examination will continuously monitor how much examination have been finished and how much examination is left, and shuffle question order will shuffle the question for each candidate. Then in quiz, the important setting is make this a quiz. This is very important. Here release grade, either you can select immediately after each submission or you can select later after manual review. So if I'll click on this later after manual review, you can send the score manually after a single click to their respective emails. Here I'll uncheck these first two, that is missed question and correct question. Here I am done with this setting, so I'll save this. Now here automatically this email address will come. Here in the first question I'll ask name of the student, or even before that you can ask few other questions. Now I'll ask full name of the candidate. Here short answer text will be entered by the user. Here I am going to select this as a required question. Then I will add next question. If you want to get more information regarding the candidate, you can add further more questions over here, like his mobile number, institute, or any other things. Now I am going to make setting for password. So go to short answer, enter the password. Here automatically this response validation will come. If it will not come, you can go here and here check on response validation. Here you have to select number. Different options are there: text, length, regular expression. Important is number. Here select equal to. Here enter the password that you want to set for this Google form. For example, password is 2 times, I am typing 2 means 22 is the password. Here custom error text means here I am going to write down the error message, that whenever password is wrong at that time what user will see. Enter the correct password. This is most important thing, that is you have to select this as a required question. After this we are going to start with actual quiz. So for that you can select this option, that is add section. Into add section you can see over here, after first section continue to next section, but to complete first section user should enter the correct value of the password. So here in untitled section you have to name the quiz. Sample quiz to test like this. You can enter any title over here, then I'll add question. Here you can add n number of questions. Say first question is identify the greater number among the following. Set this as a multiple choice question. If you want to add image, you can click on this and add image. Here first option is say 5, second option is -9, third option is let us 3, fourth option is 7. Here click on this answer key and here you have to configure which answer is you think that it is correct. It is 7, so that answer 7 or fourth option is selected as a correct answer for the quiz. Here you have to enter how many points this question carries. So I have selected it as a 3 points. Click on done. In this way first question is set. Here I'll click on required. This question will be required question. Now if you want to add one more question, you can click on this plus button, or you can simply click on this duplicate. Say if I'll click on duplicate, you can see this is our original question and this is next question. So you can configure the next question. Identify the even number among the following. So in this way you can give various options and you have to set the answer key. So this option number 2 I think is a correct option. Give point values as per your requirement and click on done. In this way you can add more questions by clicking on this duplicate or by clicking on this add question. In this way your quiz can be completed. If you want to preview this, you can click on this preview. So here you can enter your email address, then full name, your name, whatever you want to write over here. Say I am entering ABC, then enter the password. Here I am going to check what the Google form will do after entering wrong password. Say the password is 12. See what will happen. It is asking enter the correct password. I'll again enter purposefully wrong password. It is again saying enter the correct password. It will continue to prompt this error message till user will not enter the correct password. So in this case the correct password is 22. After this you have to click on this, then actual question will start. In that, shuffled question will be there for each candidate. So like this your preview of the quiz can be seen. Then next thing is, if you want to send it to the candidates, you can send it using their email address or with the help of link. Before the start of examination or quiz, you have to email or send the password of this quiz through either text message, WhatsApp message, or with the help of email or any other thing that is suitable for you. Here you have to first make this setting not accepting responses, and whenever you want to start the examination, at that time you have to click on this accepting responses, so that responses will be accepted after entering the correct password. So this is the simplest way to make password protected quiz. Thank you.